Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover a banned Instagram account. Now, if you're on Instagram and you open it up and it doesn't work correctly, or maybe you get a message that looks like this. It says, "We suspended your account." In this case, it says there are 180 days remaining to appeal this decision. And it'll walk you through why your account got suspended. It's usually because you didn't follow the community guidelines, or at least Instagram doesn't think that you followed it, or their AI bot doesn't think that you followed it. And you can see at the very bottom, it says disagree with this decision. This is the first thing that you're going to immediately do is if you see this page, if you don't see it, I'll walk you through some other options. But if you do see it, you're going to hit disagree with this decision. Now, a lot of times it will switch over to taking a video selfie. And a lot of reasons why they do this is to verify that you're not a bot or just a computer that is faking certain engagement or liking lots of posts or following lots of people. Essentially, they want a selfie video of you to confirm that you're a real person and that you're the actual person that owns that Instagram account. So just hit next and go through the process of taking that video selfie and confirm that you are a real person. Now, after you've done that, you'll be able to see it will say something like this. You submitted an appeal. It usually takes us a day or so to review the information. And then it says what happens next. We'll take a look at your account and then see if basically we can reinstate it or what the basically status is of it or whether it will be permanently disabled. Now, if you go through this process and it doesn't work or you're waiting on this process, there are some other things we can do as well. Let's open up the Instagram app. If you're able to log into Instagram, maybe you just don't have full functionality. Maybe you can't go in and like certain posts or follow certain accounts. Then you can check the status of your Instagram account. And you can do that by tapping on the profile button at the very bottom right there. And now when you're in your profile, you can see, let's get into your settings by tapping on those three lines at the very top right. Once you've tapped on that, all we need to do is scroll down to the bottom. There's a really helpful section at the bottom here. You can see more info and support, and we'll get into the help section as well. But first, I want to show you the account status to be able to check your account status for your account. So tap on account status here. And there you can see it says remove content and messaging, limits to your reach, features you can't use. Tap on any of these, and if it says that there's an issue with any of these, it will walk you through the process of why there is an issue and how to appeal it or get it back. Sometimes you just need to wait 24 hours or 48 hours, and then you'll be able to start using some of these features. So if any of them don't have a green check mark, then just go through the process of appealing it. However, let's say you can't get into the web-based version or the app-based version rather. What we can do instead of that is go to the help section to be able to appeal this. So we're going to go to help.instagram.com. So again, help.instagram.com and hit go. You're in the Instagram help page here, and let's first just search for suspended. And I'll show you, can't type here. Suspended. And then from here, let's hit search and I'll show you where specifically to go. You'll be able to see it says a lot of different options here. Why your account might be restricted, claim unmanaged, appeal, etc. But we're going to go down and you can see about disabled Instagram accounts. So let's tap on that and we want to recover this disabled account. And you can see if you think your account was disabled by accident, you can always appeal that. And now what we can do is scroll down and it says you can choose to regain access by tapping on that link. And it will pop up and say, find your Instagram account. All you need to do is enter in the username, phone number, or email address here. And then from there, essentially, it'll go through the process of helping you reclaim or recover that account. If that doesn't work for you, let's go back to the help center. And instead of that, let's go back and search for hacked. There we go, and hit search. Now on here, if you search for hacked, we're gonna scroll down and go to this first one, hacked Instagram account. And then on here, it says go to instagram.com/hacked. So let's tap on that. And again, it will bring you to this page where all you need to do is identify your username, phone number, or email address, and essentially go through the process of appealing it or sending all that information over to Instagram so that they can review it as a human and get your account back and good to go and in good standings. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.